This is the moment to light the flame of remembrance, urumuri rw'icyizere. This flame symbolizes not only our past, but the hope for tomorrow. It will keep burning for the next 100 days. Thank you, Your Excellencies, for guiding us as we conclude the first part of our commemoration event. The commemoration events will continue at BK Arena. Thank you, Your Excellencies. Murakoze, merci beaucoup.
As we welcome our host, His Excellency President Paul Kagame and First Lady Jeannette Kagame, we kindly ask that we all rise for the national anthem and that we remain standing for the moment of silence. Remain standing for the moment of silence. You may be seated. Excellencies, we have live interpretation for you today. Please tune to channel 1 for English, channel 2 for French, channel 3 for Arabic, and channel 4 for Portuguese. Le canal 1 pour l'anglais, le canal 2 pour le français, le canal 3 pour l'arabe et le canal 4 pour le portugais.
Genocide killed more than 1 million people.
Call observed. My name is Sandrine Umutoni. I am the Minister of State for Youth and Arts. We are honored to welcome you all, Rwandans and friends of Rwanda, present here at home, across our country and all over the world, on this solemn day of our 30th commemoration, as we remember more than 1 million men, women, and children slain during the 100 days of the genocide against the Tutsi in 1994. We now invite you to turn your attention to the illuminated tree. The tree's branches and foliage represent the protection that targeted families could not find during the genocide and that Rwandans today can count on. The upright trunk echoes the aspirations of the young generation, reinforced by the internal light and flowing sap of life within. The roots illustrate the memory of the past that we must preserve, our shared Rwandan culture, on which we are all anchored and from which we draw inspiration and strength to reach for the sky as we build a brighter future.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, we're now going to hear young people tell the story of the genocide, how it started, how it continued, how we moved like blindfolded people into a genocide. But tomorrow, the future, the immediate future, is bright. And this is what these people are going to tell in their art form.
Nous sommes ici. We are here because we survived, even though we lost our loved ones. But we also remember that even the young ones were killed. But we're here to honor you because we've survived. Please receive our offer, our performance. Please remember us as we are struggling and striving to live. It was almost 100 days. This lasted for about 100 days. Only tears and darkness. Breathe. Be at rest. Stand up. Stay strong. Slowly, we've been trying to move forward together with others trying to rebuild our nation.
ntituzatatira igihango dufitanye kivi cyanyu tuzacyusa. We remember. We remember. We remember. Nous nous souvenons. Nous nous souvenons. Nous nous souvenons. Turibuka. Turibuka. Turibuka.